Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a fierce tiger. He was known throughout the forest as the mightiest of all creatures, feared by animals big and small. His name was Raja. One sunny day, as Raja was patrolling his territory, he spotted a lone traveler walking through the forest. The traveler, named Sam, was a kind-hearted man who loved to explore nature's beauty. He had a gentle demeanor and a smile that warmed even the coldest hearts. As Sam wandered deeper into the forest, he stumbled upon a clearing where Raja awaited him, his golden eyes gleaming with hunger. But instead of running away in fear, Sam approached the tiger calmly, showing no sign of panic. Surprised by Sam's fearlessness, Raja paused and asked, "Why are you not afraid of me, traveler? Don't you know I am the king of this forest, and I could eat you in an instant?" Sam smiled and replied, "Yes, I am aware of your strength, mighty Raja. But I also believe that beneath that fearsome exterior lies a creature capable of compassion and understanding." Raja was taken aback by Sam's words. No one had ever spoken to him with such respect and kindness. Intrigued, he decided to spare Sam's life and listen to what the traveler had to say. As they sat together under the shade of a towering tree, Sam shared tales of his adventures and the wonders he had seen in his travels. He spoke of breathtaking sunsets, majestic mountains, and the beauty of life in all its forms. Moved by Sam's words, Raja began to see the world in a new light. He realized that there was more to life than just hunting and asserting dominance. He longed to experience the same sense of wonder and joy that Sam described. From that day on, Raja and Sam became unlikely friends. They spent their days exploring the forest together, sharing stories and learning from one another. Raja's once fearsome reputation softened as he became known not only as a mighty tiger but also as a wise and compassionate guardian of the forest. Years passed, and Sam grew old while Raja remained strong and powerful. But their bond never wavered, proving that friendship knows no boundaries, not even those between predator and prey. One day, as Sam lay on his deathbed surrounded by the beauty of nature, Raja stood by his side, his golden eyes filled with sorrow. With his last breath, Sam whispered, "Thank you, my friend, for showing me the true meaning of friendship and for teaching me that even the fiercest of creatures can possess a gentle heart." Tears welled up in Raja's eyes as he watched his dear friend pass away. But he knew that Sam's spirit would live on forever in the memories they had shared and the lessons he had imparted. And so, the tiger and the traveler proved that kindness and understanding can bridge even the widest divides, leaving behind a legacy of friendship that would echo through the ages. Moral of the story: this story teaches us that kindness and friendship are powerful forces that can bring people together, no matter how different they may seem. It shows us that even the fiercest creatures, like Raja the tiger, can have gentle hearts and learn to appreciate the beauty of life and the value of companionship. By treating others with respect and understanding, we can form meaningful connections and create a better world for everyone.